How to add a gift card to Burger King app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Burger King app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and download and install the application. Once you have opened the app, the first step is to log into your account. For that, you will have to enter your mobile number, or you can also log in using your Facebook account or your Google account. Once you have been logged into your account, you simply want to scroll down and then add the items that you want to purchase in the cart. Once you have added all the items that you want to purchase, you simply want to open up your cart and then proceed to check out. Once you're about to check out, you want to proceed for the payment method. There, you want to select Add a BK Crown Card option. Now on the box, you want to enter your gift card details and select Save. Your total will be deducted by your balance. If there is not enough balance on your gift card, you will be prompted to enter another payment method to cover the remaining balance. You can purchase both e-gift cards or physical gift card of Burger King. It can be purchased online where available or received or awarded as a prize in connection with certain BKC online and social media promotional activities. If you face any difficulty while adding a gift card to the Burger King app, you can contact the customer support of Burger King. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.